Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to pin post on TikTok. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open up your TikTok app. Now, if you open up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this particular profile icon right here. Take you to your profile page. Next thing you need to do is to select the particular video that you would like to pin on top of the post. So I'm going to select this particular video right here. Having selected on the video, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from here. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on pin. Then you can simply go back to your page. So by the time you refresh your page, then you see pin on your post on TikTok. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to pin post on TikTok account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about TikTok topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.